Hello everyone. My greetings to each one of you. This is the fourth session on production function. In the previous session, you have understood the basic concepts of total product, average product, and marginal product with the help of tabular as well as diagrammatic presentation. I am Poonam Vohra from Microeconomics Learning Center. This session focuses on the law of variable proportions. It is applicable in the short term. It is called variable proportions because with every increase in the production, it is possible to vary the proportion of fixed and variable factors, as there is one factor, that is labor, which is variable. Rest other factors are fixed. So let's understand it more clearly. Law of variable proportion operates under certain assumptions. The assumptions are: 1. It operates in the short term, where one factor is variable and other fixed, and hence factor proportions can be changed. 2. Technology remains constant. 3. All units of variable factor are equally efficient. 4. Full substitutability of factors of production is not possible, as some amount of both factors of production are required in every production process. The law of variable proportion states that the application of more and more units of variable factor to given quantities of fixed factor initially increases output at an increasing rate, and beyond a certain point, the addition in output becomes less and less. Let's understand the law. This law is explained in three phases. Phase 1 is increasing returns to factor. Phase 2 is diminishing returns to factor. And phase 3 is negative returns to factor. In the first phase, total product increases at an increasing rate. Marginal product also rises. It is so because every additional variable factor adds more and more to total output. That is, total output increases at an increasing rate. So marginal product also rises. The phase ends at the point of inflection on total product curve and maximum point on marginal product curve. Why does it occur? It occurs because fixed factors are indivisible and must be used in fixed minimum size. In the beginning, fixed factors cannot be put to maximum use due to non-applicability of sufficient units of variable factor. But when variable factors are applied in sufficient quantities, then division of labor, specialization, and efficiency results in increasing returns. In the second phase, every additional variable factor though adds more to total output but at a decreasing returns. Hence, marginal product starts falling, though remains positive. It ends at the maximum point of total product and zero marginal product. It occurs because fixed and variable factors are imperfect substitutes of one another. Increase in the units of variable factors beyond the optimum point may disrupt the existing organization, spoils division of labor, and breed inefficiency. In such a phase, every increase in the variable factor, though result total product to increase but at a diminishing rate. Hence, marginal product also falls. In the third phase, employment of every additional variable factor causes total product to decline and marginal product becomes negative. It occurs because variable factor is in excess of fixed factors. This leads to poor coordination between fixed and variable factors. Hence, advantages of specialization and division of labor diminish. So it results in inefficiency. Hence, total product falls, marginal product becomes negative. So it can be inferred that the law of variable proportions is also called the law of eventually diminishing returns to factor, because it predicts the consequences varying the proportions of factors of production. So long as fixed factors are being used and maximum or less quantities of variable factors can be used, diminishing returns must emerge sooner or later. Since it applies to all lines of production, law of variable proportions is a universal law. Now assess yourself and answer this question in one sentence. Why marginal product cuts average product from its top? Please check your answer. It occurs because when average product rises, marginal product is greater than average product, and when average product falls, marginal product is less than average product. Accordingly, it is only when average product is constant and at its top, marginal product is equal to average product, and marginal product curve cuts average product from its top. Now answer this question in one sentence. Should both total and marginal products be declining in the situation of diminishing returns? Please check your answer. The answer is no. In the situation of diminishing returns, it is only marginal product that declines. And when marginal product is decreasing, total product increases, though at a diminishing rate. Now have a look at this question and answer in one sentence. Why should average product continue to rise even when marginal product starts declining? Please check your answer. It happens so long as the declining marginal product is greater than the existing average product. I hope you have understood the law of variable proportions clearly. Though you have been able to answer few questions, but these are not enough. You need to practice answering more questions. So, have a look at the assignments and practice answering questions. With this, the session comes to an end. The next session, we shall begin with cost analysis. Till then, keep reading and keep practicing.